Okay, so I've seen a few videos of these. These are classics. Haven't seen many of these year and model around. This is in my 1986 C30 1-ton square body. Nothing too out of the ordinary. No dually, no double doored, stuff like that. Crew cab. My little project truck. Been working on it for about a year now. So, I'm keeping her up nice and going. The shocking part's I'm only 19, and this is like my first like real vehicle that I've ever owned. I enjoy the hell out of it. She does me good. Unlike other vehicles and stuff, I really like this year model because of the amount of universal parts that are out there. You can swap these out with bigger tires and stuff, but when I bought her, she was in some pretty rough shape. Tires were all dinged up, different colors. I painted them myself. Looks pretty good. Not bad for a 19-year-old who doesn't know what they're doing. Big old tires. This is from '86. The guy who had it before me abused the hell out of it. He worked tile, and yeah, the bed's in pretty rough shape. But they were all faded, so I brought them back to life one at a time. This is the back one. They've been painted for about a year now. I want to paint the take the rims off, paint this this center point, so that way they're all blacked out. I think it looked pretty nice. I've seen like the old school military trucks, and I think this one has the potential to get very close to it. I mean, it's a beautiful truck. When I got it, the tint looked nothing like that, I'll tell you that much. Had the tint redone, painted the mirrors myself. All the painting I've done is myself. She was all scratched up. Did some repairs with it. Freaking car in the background. I don't know what they're doing. Anyway, yeah, had a big old ding on the side. Sorry about that. Truck got in the way. Anyway, she classic. This was all pretty bad and rusted up. I managed to get most of it out, paint it back up so it doesn't look so bad. She had a giant sticker here. I think it's just from mud or something. He didn't like it, scraped it off. From a distance, when she's driving away, it looks like a clean set anyway. Heavy duty shocks, heaviest you can get. I mean, this guy was hauling tile, so you already know it's really heavy. Back tailgate was really shot because somebody drove into it with a forklift and bent it in like 4 inches in the center. So went out, scrounged around, find another one. It was all rusted. Paint that too. Put it on this one. Bumper it had weighed like 400 pounds. Gas mileage wasn't good, so I tore it off. Gonna paint this strip white. Maybe do something else on the bottom, like, you know, repaint the shocks yellow or something, make it stand out. Reverse sound thing is there, so you get all the little bells and whistles up and running. So the light bulb, don't really see him, that little light bulb way up there, little guy, that guy, dirty finger, sorry about that. Got him working too. She looks really pretty. Had a cut, you can see it in the light. It was from here, it ran all the way down here. It's about 13 inches long. Got that, painted that, fixed it up. Just thought it was even worse. This was completely disconnected. Yeah, wasn't the best job, but this was cut. The best I could do with it. Welded it back up, shaved it. Got it working nice and clean. Got it working like a dream again. Put my headphones down. This side, the body's in really great shape. The guy took care of the body, but the bed was like, repainted the windows. No, retinted the windows. Here, did that one myself. In the inside's a little worn, but nothing little elbow grease can't fix. Aftermarket front end, didn't come out with that. Really pretty truck. I admire the hell out of it. Yeah, back to the front. The bed had a like 300. If you could not. The bed had about a 300-pound core, 1/8-inch thick diamond plate liner. Also eating up my gas mileage, tore it off. A little bit of body rust. I can paint that up. Still getting the grease out, as you can see from there, spots like here, a little bit up there. Nothing too bad from the back. She's really pretty. I like it. The only like full damage that I see is these little holes. One here, one there. Nothing a little creativity can't fix. Bottom section was really bad, as you can see right there. Body ate it away before I could do anything about it. This was all rusted up. Sanded it, painted it, get a nice treatment. Interior wise, oh, forgot doors locked. Hold on. Everything in here is original. That when I got it. Oh, one thing I did do. Aftermarket 23-inch dual cherry bomb glass pack compared to the original it had. For me, the sound was too quiet. Dirt. I didn't really like that quiet sound. Swapped it out. Got something a little bit louder, make it sound a little bit more classy. Did I open the door? Yes, I did. Interior, in my opinion, great shape compared to what I see out there today. The only thing that needs to get fixed up, in my opinion, is the heat shield top. Been looking for a replacement for that. Floorboards, I'll buy new ones. Seat cover wasn't here, bought it. Yeah, got it. Sunnied it up. Didn't like it. Still working on the interior. This is tinted, by the way. Doesn't look like it, but it is. Clean up the back. Had a very crappy little jack. Tore that out. Put a real man's jack in there. That was the original seat cover it had on it. Only has 106,000 miles on it. Got it with 103. 1 year later, only 3,000 miles on it. All the original bells and whistles work. Oil gauge. Got to fix that one. That's the only one that needs to get fixed. Besides that, perfect shape. See how she turns on. Oh, that sounds always gorgeous. Yeah, fires up like nothing. Keep her good. Putting in the good gas. Keep her nice and clean. Let's go check out the hood. Today, June 23rd or whatever, took off the air breather, repainted it. So when you open it, it looks pretty cool. Yeah. Oh crap. Oh. There we go. Repainted the air breather. Next up, covers. I want to paint those next. Everything works. AC, breather, aftermarket, gauges. No leaks or anything. Mint condition 86 square body, if I do say so myself. Aftermarket battery, heavy duty, best one you can get. Everything works. Windshield wipers work. Windshield wiper fluid works. Oil works. Gas pumps mint condition. Water pump's basically brand new. Beautiful truck. All the lights turn on. Signal lights work. Harness isn't broken like most of them are. Bed's got a little bit of work. It'll leave. Gotta wash those out. But overall, beautiful truck. I just have it parked out in my driveway, and I'm like, she purty. And from afar away, you see her. Like, oh my. Sure is pretty. I want to drop the front, put some beefier deep dish tires. I think that'd look really nice. But anyway, saw somebody. Oh, that's too dark. Saw somebody on the internet put up a little video, so I thought I may as well do my own little video, even though I was like a third his age. Still, trucks are good for anybody, any age, in my opinion, as long as you know how to take care of them. Got that. Yeah. As long as you know how to take care of them, they'll last you forever. What is it, 86? 30. 32 years later, better than ever. This is a C30, 1986 square body C30, 1-ton, 2-wheel drive, 350 with a 4-barrel. Aftermarket glass pack. The logo's not there, but I took them off because they were all broken. C30 custom deluxe, 2-wheel drive. She's a beauty. See you guys later.